Okay, this is it. This is where I'm at now. Got my front end accessories inside. All the time and money has been invested and the hours I done put in. I finally came to that time. It's time to get that first start. Let's see what we do. Made me kind of nervous. Yeah, had to have that Dakota. What's up, everybody? I'm back on the Impala. Well, as you can see, I had to take the engine back out because of one minor technicality that I overlooked, and that calls for inexperience on my behalf that I never seen before, never had to deal with before. But unfortunately, now I have to deal with it. Let me show it to you. Well, this engine came with standard shift transmission, clutch plate and everything. So I had to change to the flex plate. And upon changing the flex plate, I forgot to take the pilot bearing off in order for the automatic transmission to fit inside the pilot bearing. So I removed the engine. So I'm waiting on a pilot bearing tool, because as you can see, the grease, the bread, that stuff don't work on this LS engine. So I'm waiting on the pilot bearing tool to come. It should be here tomorrow. And so upon doing that, I figure while I got the engine out, I can go ahead and remove my anti-lock brake system that was right there. Removed everything. Removed the anti-lock brakes. And as you see, the unions, got a union, three-way union for the front, and I just got that one-way union for the rear. So all those brake lines that was generally right here in this area, it's gone. And so that's where I'm at right now on the Impala. Had it in, turned it over, made me feel pretty good. Then I had to take it back out. So upon while I got the engine out, I figured why not go ahead and move my engine forward an inch. So what I'm about to do now is go over here and modify my engine mounts. Everything that you see me doing, I got it from Bravo's Garage. So you really need to know how to, really want to know how to put an LS engine to a 94 through 96 Impala, follow Bravo's Garage. Show you everything. Hand-in-hand instructions how to do just about everything that I'm doing over here. You're gonna make some mistakes, just gotta live with them and move forward. So these are my KDS motor mounts. There's some good mounts, but they have the engine back on the firewall too close. And just to move it up a little bit, it's okay to try to modify this. Now, I'm inexperienced when it comes to welding, but I did buy a welder, so we'll see what we're gonna be able to do with it. here we go. We're on day 4 with me wrestling with this pilot bearing. Yeah, I bought a pilot bearing pulley set, but that didn't work. So that small sledgehammer, those pliers, everything that you see right here on the ground. See that little bearing? Got it out with that drill. And got to get the race out. So once I get the race out, back to business. Get ready to put this thing back in the car, because man, I'm telling you, that pilot bearing has wore me out. Worst thing I have done to this car since I decided to do the swap myself. Let's see how it goes. I'm telling you, this has been the worst thing I have done, and it hurt too. I've crumbed my knuckles a couple of times. See them gadgets on my finger? Yeah, messing with this pilot bearing. Well, this is where I'm at now. So let me open this thing back up and try to get that little bearing on out of there. Talking about somebody happy. Gee whiz.